Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to talk about the iPhone XS, the iPhone XR, and the iPhone XC apparently. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video and any other videos. So guys, look at this. The Verge said there is a leak about these phones right here. There's going to be 3 of them. This is Apple website leak reveals 512 gigabyte iPhone XS and 6 color options for the iPhone XR. So guys, today we are upon the day that actually the iPhone gets revealed. Everybody's going crazy right now for it. It's going to be starting in an hour, guys. So by the time you watch this video, it'll probably already be done, but it is at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so in less than an hour right now. It says 12:01. Literally in less than an hour, the iPhones will be revealed. And it says, well, if you go to brand iPhone XS and the Max, the thing had better come with plenty of storage. And sure enough, this year, Apple once again doubled the storage in its top tier iPhone to 512 gigabytes. So both sizes of the iPhone XS 5.8 inch, 6.5 will offer the 512 gigabyte capacity. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. And the sitemap already offered direct confirmation of the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR names, guys. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather right now, but I'm a little bit stuffy. If you don't need anything anywhere near that amount of built-in storage, you might be pleased to hear that Apple is seemingly returning to these 3 storage tiers with the 2018 iPhone lineup. Your choices begin with 64 gigabyte storage option for both XS and the XR. From there, the upgrades differ. The next step up for the XR is the more modest 128 gig. I just want to know how they're gonna actually like present all these things, man, because there's like so many phones right now that they're talking about that I can't even keep up with what they're talking about. XS, XR, XC. Like, so I don't know, man. So here you go, guys. Here you can see different things and whatever, different sizes. So so iPhone XR 6.1 inch, the three different storages. So I'm definitely gonna be tuning into the live stream, the live chat or whatever. So I don't know. XS with the iPhone X, but XR is the flashier choices. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think Apple's like watering it down? Do you think this is good? Do you think people are going to be able to like understand which phone is which and which phone is what? Because it's like a little bit getting a little bit like weird now. So the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.